So syempre ibang level yung ano, yung pagka-global ni na SB at Beanie. And they really put in a lot of hard work and kudos also to their fans and fan base. Na talang they also put in a lot of hard work sa pag-push sa kanila, pag-promote, sa kapag post sa social media, pag-viral. It's parang they created their own worlds. Merong Beanie World and then meron parang SB World. And they watch each other's concerts. Alam mo 'yun kapag when available you see it online. So it's a nice thing to see na parang they're pushing each other, they're helping each other to continue to showcase the best of Philippine talent.
Yeah, the reason I'm asking is kasi 'di ba mas mahirap noong panahon mo, 'di ba, na 'di pa gano'n yung social media and all. Mas challenging, 'di ba, before?
Before, yes, it was challenging kasi before social media, before the internet, you have to physically, di ba? As what they're doing, physically go there, physically go to the radio stations, physically go to the TV stations. Now, as we are doing na rin naman,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
still, right now,
Oo.
pero in this age, pwede tayong mag-Zoom press con
Exactly.
worldwide.
Oo.
So, minsan nag-Zoom press con kami with our kababayans in
Mm.
Hong Kong or New York or LA. We just have
Mm.
to find the right time. So, it's easy in that sense
Mm.
na we can reach everyone, but also they can reach us. So it goes both ways.
Correct.
Sa Philippines din, every country na nag-release all over the world, pumapunta rin sa atin. So how do you now take a stand? How do you become loud? How do you stand out? So yun din yung kailangan i-consider din ng other artists. How do you
Ayan.
form your own niche? How do you,
Yeah.
like what I said, build your own fan base, build your own world? Hanapin mo talaga yung mga tao that will love and support you.
Galing ng ginagawa ng Nima for you, ah.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Oo,
Nima has
achieve yan,
been a
ah.
blessing. Oo, talaga. Kat has been a blessing as well. Talagang, even yung social media content namin ni Kat,
Cute.
all these comedy stuff,
Oo.
talagang strategized by our team and Kat. And